Let's give the benefit of the doubt. Let's start it out with the Buick Century. We'll give him a chance. All right, let's have the Dodge 400 over there.
Oh, jeez.
All right, now, crowd, let's hear it for the Buick Century Stationwagon.
Yeah!
It sounds like he's got his own car. All right, the Dodge Charger with the 400 in it.
Ah, jeez.
The Charger actually won.
No.
I think they should take that away from him for bragging.
Yeah.
Whoever wins the TV, which one are they going to haul it home at?
How can I win the TV? Because I've already got one.
Oh!